With a law against working 7 consecutive days set to go into effect in August, long-haul bus operators warn that the new regulation would exacerbate their current driver shortage and force them to cut routes. Transportation Minister Ho-Chen Tan sought to head off concerns over traffic disruptions by offering to facilitate a compromise between operators and drivers.
This driver patiently waits as passengers board his bus before beginning his trip northward. Long-haul bus drivers shoulder an important responsibility within the nation's transportation network, but those in the industry warn that a new labor regulation set to go into effect next month is set to exacerbate an already serious labor shortage because of its prohibition against working shifts over 7 consecutive days.
We could lose 3,000 drivers. Losing those 3,000 drivers would require us to cut 1/3 of the bus routes we currently operate.
Taiwan's long-haul bus operators currently claim a shortfall of more than 1,000 bus drivers and say that new regulations set to go into place will make it even more difficult to coordinate shift schedules among existing drivers. Operators even warn that the changes might force them to cut back routes during the upcoming Mid-Autumn Festival long holiday weekend.
We hope that bus operators can conduct negotiations with their drivers to arrive at a system under which they can provide additional overtime or comp time off. We would be happy to see them come up with a fix which addresses the needs of the public while protecting the interests of employees.
Though long-haul bus operators ruled out the possibility of a strike, they did serve a reminder that a severe shortage of drivers, combined with skyrocketing overtime costs, would leave them no option but to pass on those additional costs to commuters through higher fares.